Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Shaik Babji. So in this session we are going to learn a new structure. In this spoken English series we are learning 49th structure. In this 49th structure we are learning I wish I could. The structure is I wish I could. With I wish I could we can use V1. After I wish and I could we can use V1. Let's see what this structure is. The structure can be used like this. This structure is used to express a desire or longing for something currently not possible or beyond your control. So this structure can be used like this to express a desire or longing for something that is currently not possible or beyond your control. Let's see how we can use this structure. For example, it will be like this. I wish I could. I wish I could fly like a bird. I wish I could fly like a bird. So is it possible to fly like a bird? Currently it is not possible. Currently it is not possible because it is beyond our control. Because it is beyond our control. Okay, so just this is desire or longing. So this sense can be expressed with this structure. I wish I could. Okay, I hope you understood, guys. Now let's see the second one. I wish I could. I wish I could speak every language. I wish I could speak every language. Next, I wish I could travel. I wish I could travel to Europe. I wish I could travel to Europe. Next, I wish I could travel to Paris. I wish I could travel to Paris. Next, I wish I could play piano. Next, I wish I could paint like Picasso. I wish I could paint like a Picasso. Next, I wish I wish I could I wish I could understand I could understand a lesson. Next, I wish I could cook. I wish I could cook like you. Next, I wish I could run. I wish I could run a marathon. I wish I could dance. I wish I could dance like Michael Jackson. I wish I could dance like Michael Jackson. Okay, so actually here these all sentences express a desire. These all sentences express a desire or longing. Okay, so the structure is used to express a desire or longing for something that is currently not possible. Later it would be possible. Okay, currently it is not possible or beyond your control. Okay, now let's see some examples. I wish I could fly like a bird. I wish I could fly like a bird. I wish I could speak every language, whatever the language. Okay. I wish I could travel to Europe. I wish I could travel to Paris. I wish I could travel to Paris. I wish I could play piano. I wish I could paint like a Picasso. I wish I could understand the lesson. I wish I could cook like you. I wish I could cook like you. I wish I could run a marathon. I wish I could dance like Michael Jackson. So these are the examples can be used with this structure and many more can be used. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, like this video, comment and share. Thank you.